Hello! Today we will talk about atmospheric pressure and how it is measured. Atmospheric pressure is the force with which air presses on the Earth's surface. As a result of uneven illumination and heating of the Earth's surface, atmospheric pressure belts form on our planet. At the equator, the surface heats up quickly. The air above it becomes lighter and rises, so the pressure is always low. Atmospheric pressure also decreases with height and, conversely, increases in deep mines. The reason for this is that with the rise, the height of the air column decreases, presses on the Earth's surface, and the air density also decreases. A barometer is used to measure atmospheric pressure. There are different types of barometers: mercury, aneroid, and electronic. Today, we will get acquainted with the aneroid barometer. By the middle of the 14th century, only liquid barometers were used to measure atmospheric pressure, but in 1844, Lucien Viry designed the new barometer, called the aneroid barometer, from the Greek word aneros, or without moisture. Consider the external structure of the aneroid barometer. Externally, the barometer consists of a body, a glass surface, an arrow, and a scale that evaluates performance in millimeters of mercury. Its main part is a round metal box with wavy, corrugated bases. Air is pumped out inside the box, and a strong rarefaction or vacuum is created. When the atmospheric pressure rises, the box contracts, and its upper surface begins to pull the spring attached to it. When the pressure decreases, the spring straightens, and the upper base of the box rises. An arrow pointer is attached to the spring by means of a transmission mechanism. This arrow moves along the scale. Graduation of an aneroid scale is produced and measured according to the indications of a mercury barometer. The sensitivity of the aneroid is so high that even when the barometer is raised by 2 to 3 meters, the arrow pointer on the device moves noticeably. This allows you to detect a gradual change in atmospheric pressure. The result of research conducted with the help of a barometer is the visibility of the distribution of atmospheric pressure in certain areas. Points with the same atmospheric pressure are called isobars, which are included in synoptic charts. A person has become so familiar with the barometer that today it is difficult to imagine modern life without this device. It is used in various areas of our activity and performs many functions. To determine the weather, if the pressure decreases, then rain should be expected. If it rises, there will be sunny weather. To determine the height, this is due to the fact that when moving away from the Earth, the pressure atmosphere decreases. And to manage your well-being, for weather-dependent people.